Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 12 ratios and proportions. Already we started first exercise. That first exercise remaining questions continuation. Exercise 12.1 find the ratio question. Ratio how we denoted two dots denoted as a ratio. So first question they says that find the ratio of question given as a 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. Here see first step what we want to do, write as in the ratio form. Ratio form how we write 30 minutes to instead of 2 place a ratio symbol put. Then 1.5 hours, but they are in different unit. Already we learned that they are in same unit, then only we can able to find the ratios. Ratio means comparing the two quantities, how much more or how much less, like this way. Using term we comparison word we call it as a ratio. They are in a different unit. One is in minutes, another number is in the hour place. So easy, highest unit convert it to lowest unit. How to convert? First we identify the relation. Relation finding after a highest unit convert to lowest unit means that relation multiplication do. We know that 1 hour containing how many minutes? 60 minutes. That's why here our question convert to minutes means multiply with 60 minutes. So first part have no change, 30 minutes is to 15 hour, 1.5 hour, how to write multiply with 60 minutes. Now both of them have a same unit. The cancellation so multiply 30 minutes is to 15 here 6 0 6 5 are 30 remainder 3 6 plus 3 comes to be 9 in multiplicand place after decimal point 1 digit other. That's why from answer place from right to left 1 place take and put a decimal. This much minutes will get it. The next process they are write as in the fractional form. So we can write it as a 30 by 90. Means they are same, only leave that. Then 0 0 cancel easy way, 3 table 3 1 time, 3 table 9 3 times. So we get 1 by 3. How to write as in ratio? Numerator is 2, denominator is the ratio form. I hope you can understand how to convert the given number as in a ratio form. Next we go through B question. B question also say first you check it they are in same unit or not. Not in same unit, convert the same unit. Next question they given 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter. Look here. One is in the first step is write as in ratio. Instead of 2 place we can keep a ratio symbol. 1.5 meter. See in time both are in different unit. One is in centimeter, other is in the meter. First of all, we convert a meter, highest unit to conversion is easier. Highest unit to meter, convert to centimeter, meter is the highest. Meter convert to centimeter means how to convert 1 meter containing how much centimeter? 100 centimeter. Meter value convert to centimeter means multiplication. So first part antecedent place no change. 1.5 is multiplied with 100. Now see both of them have a same unit. And next process multiplied after a fractional wise, right? Any day 15 into 1 become how much? 50. Total how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Here after multiplicand place after decimal point 1 digit. That's why from answer place from right to left 1 place take and put so 150 centimeter is the answer. 0.0 leave it. Both are in centimeter. So next process write as in the fractional form. 0, 0 cancel. Again, 2 table choose means 15 not there. 5 table choose means 4 table not possible. So that's why we can write it as 4 by 15. How to write as a fractional form? 4 is to 15 is the answer. I hope you can understand this question. Next we go through one more question. One more question is C question is 500 milliliter to 2 liters. 500 milliliter to 2 liters. Here also first we write as in the ratio form. So we can write 500 milliliter instead of 2 place a ratio symbol right and 2 liter. Here see both are in different unit. One is in millimeter, another is in the liter case. So we know 1 liter contain how much milliliter? 1000 milliliter. 10,000. Here see here in the number line. In the number line, smallest unit represent as a milliliter, highest unit represent as centiliter. Next one is deciliter. Deciliter. Next is a liter. Next is decaliter, hectoliter, and a kiloliter. Here question is in the millimeter. Liter we convert to millimeter. Each of them difference how much? Here to here 10, here to here 10, here to here difference 10. That means millimeter, liter to millimeter we want to change means 10 into 10 into 10 because how much? 1000. So we can write 1 liter containing 1000 milliliter. That's why given liter question converted to milliliter means multiply with 1000. Already antecedent place a 500 milliliter is there. Convert 2 liter to milliliter means multiply with 1000 milliliter. Now see both of them have same unit. Then they multiply and write as in a fractional form and cancellation is to 2000 milliliter. Then they have same unit, so 500 by 2000. 2 zeros cancel. 5 table 5 one time, 5 table 24. So 1 by 4, fractional form. We want a ratio form is 1 is to 4, numerator is to, denominator is the answer. I hope you can understand how to convert us in a ratio form. Next we go through word problems. In that word problem, second Roman word problems case. They given that here one girl is there, Seema. Seema earns rupees 1,50,000 in a year. She earns how much rupees? 1,50,000. Then and a saving amount also they given. She saves rupees 50,000. She saves 50,000. Find the ratio. First part, money that she earned to the money saves. First part they ask to find out the ratio of money, how much she earning, that money to money saving amount and total amount ratio find out. The total amount is how much earning amount. So first step we can write it as earning money is equal to every year how much amount? 1,50,000. So then saving amount, saving money or saving amount, how much? Rupees 50,000 is her saving amount. So we so 50,000 saving amount. So ratio find out. Ratio of which number? Ratio of earning amount to earning money to the saving money. Earning money to the money to saving money is equal to ratio asking. Earning money is how much? 1,50,000. Ratio means it represent as a 2 dot. Then saving amount is how much? 50,000 is her saving amount. Then they write as in ratio wise. So fractional wise write to first 50,000. 4 zeros cancel. Then 5 table 5 1 time, 5 table 15 3 times. So we get 3 by 1. How to write as in ratio? 3:1 is the ratio. In this way we can write and find. Her earning amount is 1,50,000. Her saving amount is 50,000. Question asking find out, compare her earning amount and compare her saving amount. Earning amount is 1,50,000. Ratio finding means we denoted as a 2 dot. Saving amount is 50,000. Then first they write as a fraction. Cancellation possible, cancelled after. Again we change it as a ratio wise. That is the meaning of this first part. Second part, B part also there. In this question, B part also, the B part they are asking a saving amount and a spending amount ratio find out. B part, money that she saves to the money spent. Find the ratio of saving amount to spending amount. So here spending amount we don't know how much here spend, here not given. First of all we want to find out spending amount. Spending amount or money we want to find. How to find out? Total amount is subtracted with the saving amount. We get how much amount he was spending will get in the 1,50,000 is a total amount subtracted with the saving amount. Subtraction doing how much will coming in? 1 lakh is the saving amount. Then ratio finding. Ratio of what they asking, that one, that question you write. Ratio of what ratio they asking? Money she saves to, that sentence right, saves to the money spent. The ratio find out. Saving amount is how much? 1 lakh is the saving amount. Ratio means is to. Then spend amount, saving amount is first they mentioned. Saving amount, that's why saving amount right to first. 50,000 is the saving amount. Ratio asked in then 2 dot. Secondly, they ask a spending amount. Spending amount is how much? 1 lakh is the spending amount. Then fractional wise, right? Cancellation possible, cancelled after. Ratio wise again right. 4 zeros cancel, here also 4 zeros cancel. Then afterwards 5 table 5 1 time, 5 table 10 2 time. That means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means how we can write a ratio. 1:2 is the ratio of her saving amount to the spending amount ratio. I hope you can understand this word problem. Next we go through same model questions. Same word problems. We want to find out the ratios. There they given us second question they given us there are 102 teachers in a school. How many teachers are there in a school? 102 teachers are in a school. Then 3,300 total strength of the school is given as 3 students in a school. 3,300 students are in a school. Find the ratio of number of teachers to the number of students. First they mentioned a teacher, that's why we want to find a teacher's number first. So first we can write total number of number of teachers. First step, how many teachers are there in that school? 102 teachers are there. Then total number of students. Second step is what is the strength of the school. So total number of students is equal to how many students are there? 3,300 students. Then third step, what they ask you to find the ratio of number of teachers to the number of student. Number of teachers to the number of student. Teachers to the number of student. So number of teachers, right? First teachers number is 102. Is to number of student is how much? 3,300. First we write as in a fractional form. So 102 by 3,300. Cancellation possible, cancel. Which table possible to cancel? Two table here 51. 10 means 5, 2 table to 1 time. 2 table 33, 3 means 1 time, remainder 1, 30 means 6, 12, remainder 1, 10 means 5. Here 1650 will come in there. Here how much will come? Ratio how we can write? 51 is to 1650 is the ratio. I hope you can understand how to. Again cancellation not possible, leave it. Then next third question. These are the teachers and the total student ratios finding question. Next question is third question. Here one college is there. In a college, total strength of that college is 4,320 students are there in a college. Then 2,300 are girls. This much are the girls. They given question. First question they asking find the ratio of. First part they asking find the ratio of. A question is number of girls to total number of students. Ratio find out. First step how we can write a number of student girls, right? Number of girls is how many girls are there in that school? 2,300 are the girls. Total number of students how many? What is the total strength there? Total number of students in that school college is 4,320 is the total strength of that college. Then ratio asking. So third step we can write ratio. First which part they asking? Girls to total number of student ratio. So first what they mentioned that only write first lane. First they mention girls. Girls number is 2,300. Ratio means instead of this two place we put a ratios in. Number of total number of students in that college is 4,320. Next process what they write as a fraction. 2,300 is fractional wise right. 0 cancellation possible. 230 or 432 2 table use it to cancel. 1 5 again here 2 1 12 means 6. Then again 2 table not possible. Then again checking not possible means we can write it as 115 is to 216 is the ratio of girls to the total number of students. Then the next B part they asking find out the boys to find the ratio of number of B part was the same question. Number of boys to number of girls. The ratio find out B part. So number of girls okay we know. Total number of students also we know. Then a number of boys how to find out? Number of boys is equal to total strength is subtracted with the girls number. We get a number of boys. Why? Because in this question boys number is not given. So 4,320 is subtracted with 2,300. 0 2 0 2. So how much will come in? 2,220 will get in there. The ratio find out. So ratio what they asking that one right to first. Ratio of number of boys to number of girls. Boys number right to first, that is 2020 is to girls number right to secondly 2300. Then ratio wise means we can write as in the fractional form 2020 by 2300. 10 cancel. 2 table 101 2 table 11 5 will come. So we get a 101 by 100. How to write the ratio? Numerator is 2, denominator is the ratio. Once again cancellation not possible. That's why we write as in the fraction ratio way. Then last one more C question also. There in C question find out the number of boys to the total number of students. Ratio find out to the total number of students. Total number of strength in the college. Total number of students. Here also number of girls we know. Total number of students is how much? 4,320. Number of boys how much we have? 2,020. What they ask you to find? Find out the ratio of number of boys to number of students. So ratio wise right. First they mention boys number is how much? 2020. Total strength of the college is 4,320. Then next process write as in fractional form. Cancellation possible, cancel. 0 cancellation possible. 2 table cancel. 2 table for 2 10. 2 table 3 not there one time. 3 minus 2 become a remainder 1 and 2 just 12 6. Again 101. So answer become how much? 101 is to 206 is the ratio. So I hope you can understand this model question. Remaining exercise we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.